Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset camera setting in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Pro. First you need to open your camera app on your phone, then click on the three lines on the top right corner. Here we can find the settings, click on it, then scroll down and find the restore default setting. Click on it, click OK. Then click on the back arrow. Here we can see welcome to camera. And then click on the allow. OK. And this all for today. We reset camera setting on XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Pro. This all. Goodbye.